Gov. Rick Scott's office on Monday evening released more than 41,000 pages of records relating to the deaths of 12 people in a sweltering Hollywood nursing home after Hurricane Irma. Gubernatorial candidate Gwen Graham, a Democrat, had requested the documents more than 3 months ago under the state's open records law. Last week, Graham publicly complained about the delay. Many of the initial records in the packet provided by Scott's office, however, appear to be news clips, press releases, timelines or regulatory documents already made public. 8 people died September 13 after the air conditioning system lost power and temperatures soared at the rehabilitation center at Hollywood Hills. 4 more died later from exposure to the heat, the medical examiner ruled. In September, Graham requested extensive records concerning the deaths at the nursing home, including all communications surrounding Scott's private phone number and all communications in the governor's office, the Agency for Health Care Administration, and Department of Children and Families. Scott gave his personal cell phone number before the hurricane to nursing homes and assisted living facilities, telling them to call if they experienced problems. Executives from the rehabilitation center called numerous times and left messages that were returned by health agency officials or aides to the governor, who said they were working on resolving the problem. After Graham's recent complaint about the delay, Scott's office responded with a cost estimate for the records, $1,200. On Monday, she arrived at the Capitol and wrote a personal check for that amount. U.S. Sen. Marco Rubio said Thursday the Senate committee with jurisdiction over Medicare and Medicaid should investigate what led to the deaths of 14 residents of a Hollywood nursing home in the aftermath of Hurricane Irma. U.S. Sen. Bill Nelson asked the Senate Finance Committee 2 weeks ago to. U.S. Sen. Marco Rubio said Thursday the Senate committee with jurisdiction over Medicare and Medicaid should investigate what led to the deaths of 14 residents of a Hollywood nursing home in the aftermath of Hurricane Irma. U.S. Sen. Bill Nelson asked the Senate Finance Committee 2 weeks ago to. This is not about me. It's about the people of Florida deserving to have the information about the nursing home tragedy, Graham said. Brian Burgess, a former communications director for Scott who now works as a political consultant, called Graham's request a shameless stunt to exploit the deaths of the elderly for political gain. Graham, a former congresswoman, is one of 4 Democrats seeking her party's nomination for the office Scott now holds. Term limits prevent Scott from seeking re-election. Hollywood fire rescue crews were inside a hot nursing home to rescue dying people on the Monday after Hurricane Irma, then again Tuesday and twice Wednesday before forcing an evacuation. What they saw and how they responded inside the nursing home where 12 people died after 62 hours without air. Hollywood fire rescue crews were inside a hot nursing home to rescue dying people on the Monday after Hurricane Irma, then again Tuesday and twice Wednesday before forcing an evacuation.